Hey man, you ever notice how the moment you stop chasing, people suddenly start paying attention? It's not magic, it's psychology. Women crave what feels just out of reach. If you're always available, always texting first, always trying to make things work, she doesn't have to think about you. She knows you're there. But the second you step back, the second you go cold, something shifts. Suddenly, she's the one wondering why you're not giving her attention. She's the one checking her phone, replaying moments in her head, and questioning if she misjudged you. That's the power of the cold shoulder. But listen, this isn't about being rude or playing childish games. It's about understanding attraction. If she's acting distant, if she's pulling away, if she's treating you like an option, then it's time to make her feel your absence. Because sometimes the only way to make someone appreciate you is to show them what life is like without you. Step 1. Silence speaks louder than words. Most guys panic when a woman starts pulling away. They text more, call more, try to fix whatever went wrong. But that just makes things worse. When you overcompensate, you're showing her that you need her attention more than she needs yours, and that kills attraction. The real move? Say nothing. Do nothing. Just stop. When you stop feeding her ego, when you stop giving her the attention she's used to, she starts feeling the void. That's when she notices your absence. Because silence isn't just the lack of words, it's a powerful message. It says, I'm not chasing, I'm not begging, I know my worth. And when you communicate that through your actions, she starts to wonder, did I mess up? Step 2. Become a mystery again. Women are drawn to what they can't fully figure out. When she first met you, there was excitement, there was a chase. But over time, she started feeling like she had you all figured out. That's when interest fades. So how do you bring back that attraction? By pulling away and letting her wonder. Stop being so predictable. Don't always respond right away. Don't let her know exactly what you're doing, where you're going, or who you're with. When you create a sense of mystery, when she has to guess what's going on in your life, she starts thinking about you more. And the more she thinks about you, the more she misses you. Step 3. Level up without her. Here's the part most guys miss. If you're just sitting around waiting for her to come back, she won't. She needs to see that your world doesn't revolve around her. So instead of worrying about her, focus on yourself. Hit the gym. Work on your goals. Improve your mindset. Start living like the high-value man you are. Because when she sees that you're thriving without her, that's when regret starts creeping in. That's when she starts wondering if she lost someone she should have kept. And that feeling, that's exactly what makes her miss you. Step 4. Give her just enough to keep her hooked. Now, at some point she might reach out. Maybe she likes your post. Maybe she sends a random hey. Maybe she tries to check in. Here's where most guys fail. They either ignore her completely or they go right back to chasing. Neither works. Instead, keep things light. Stay cool. Give her just enough to make her curious, but not enough to make her feel secure again. A simple reply, a short conversation, then disappear again. Make her work for it. Make her feel like she has to earn your attention back. That's what keeps her hooked. Step 5. Never go back to begging. The final step. Hold your ground. The moment you cave in, the moment you start chasing again, you lose all the progress you made. Attraction isn't built through words, it's built through behavior. And when you show her that you respect yourself enough to walk away, she will feel it. That's when she starts looking at you differently. That's when she starts wondering if she made a mistake. So listen up, man. Stop chasing. Stop over-explaining. Stop trying so hard. Give her the cold shoulder, not as a game, but as a sign that you value yourself too much to be anyone's second choice, and watch what happens next.